Okay, I'm a Bernie Mac fan, and this guy in the Bahamas sounds just like Bernie Mac. Do it, player.
I'm tired. I'm gonna put body right.
All right, Bernie Mac.
I ain't got time for this fucking shit. 3 minutes. That's all I'm giving. That's all the fuck. You can say what the fuck. I got mine. You best get yours. If you been busting that time to you fresh out of fucking. Perfect. I'm on my bitch. I'll give a fuck.
Perfect.
Right.
Perfect.
These fucking kids, they gonna kill it. They ain't gonna kill it. They gonna kill fucking you. Sick of this shit.
Now that's a reproduction of Bernie Mac. That's right, the Mac Man. He's come back to us, people. He's in the Bahamas.
I'm tired. I'm gonna put body right.
All right, Bernie Mac.
I ain't got time for this fucking shit. 3 minutes. That's all I'm giving. That's all the fuck. You can say what the fuck. I got mine. You best get yours. If you been busting that time to you fresh out of fucking.
This guy needs to go to Chicago and just let everybody know that Bernie Mac's back and make big money. Leave the Bahamas, baby. Start working in front of that hotel. Do the thing, man.
Perfect.
I'm on my bitch. I'll give a fuck.
Perfect.
Right.
Perfect.
These fucking kids, they gonna kill it. They ain't gonna kill it. They gonna kill